Hey guys, let's see how to reset a Cinnado D1 indoor camera. It's super simple. So I have the camera here and there are different ways to do it. The first one is just coming directly to the app. Here I'm using the Wansview app. Let me just show here. That's the one to go. If you don't know the app, that's the one, Wansview app. Okay. So when I get there and I want to reset the camera, I just need to come here to the settings. So I just select here, come all the way down to device management, and then delete device. And from here, you're basically resetting your camera, okay? But if you don't have access to the camera, what I have to do is just press and hold a button here. So let me just show that here, you have this reset button. So you can just use your fingernails here to reset the camera, or you can use something to press it, right? So see the LED is blue right now. You just come here, press the button here, and hold for about 10 seconds.
Reset is successful.
You see, it's flashing right now. And also I heard the message reset successful, okay? So the camera is going to reboot, and you just need to observe here that the camera is going to move horizontally, doing the pan movement, and then it's going to move vertically, doing the tilt movement. And then you can just set up the camera again. See this working right now? Meanwhile, let me just come back here to the main screen. And the camera is not gonna be available anymore. If I try to access the camera here, it's gone. Let me just come back here to the devices. Try to access the camera again. You see this trying to connect to the camera, but it's no longer available, okay? You see that I still have the flashing LED here. It's ready for the setup. So what I have to do here, you can just come and delete the camera from here as well, so you don't get confused with the extra camera available here that's not really there. And then you add the device again. Just come here to add a new device, look for the model that you want. You see that it finds here via Bluetooth, but if you don't see the camera here, you just need to come to indoor camera and find the Cinnado D1. Tap here on Wi-Fi connection by QR code, and you see that's flashing, so you're good to go. Then tap here, next, and here you're gonna insert the password for your Wi-Fi. Here I'm going to use this one just for testing. Hit next.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
As you can see, you need to point the camera to the QR code, so I'm just gonna do this. You just need to find the correct distance.
QR code scan is successful. Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
There we go. Now it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Just observe the LED here again. It's still flashing. It's connecting to the Wi-Fi right now. So we just need to wait.
Registering on the server.
And there we go, it's ready. Now I can just name my camera. In this case, I'm gonna type here Cinnado D1 2K. There we go. And just hit OK. Now it's good to go, it's working, see, back there. And I just hit OK again. And now I can have access to the camera. Control it from here. And also let me just bring this down because the volume is up. The camera is working with the microphone already. So I basically can control the PTZ from here, right? So we're good to go. So basically that's the way you can reset your Cinnado D1 camera. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.